Okay, so it's been a couple days since y'all ain't see your boy. I mean, it's just been a couple days, but got the gala right now. Keep the fit, you know. Hey, what the fuck? Woo, almost fell. Okay, let's get it. And it's always something. It's always something fucked up. There's always something fucked up. Popeyes ain't got no biscuits. Fuck it, they got honey but no biscuits. No. You feel something like, but so look, y'all. I got into a wreck earlier. I don't want y'all seeing where I live and shit. But look at that. The whole bumper comes off actually. It's just, I just got it, you know, I just got it hit up in now. But yes, I get that replaced. But yeah, that sucks. Ow. Man, sorry I ain't been posting no vlogs. Like the days I haven't, good stuff been happening actually. Not gonna lie. Good things been happening. I have a sponsor, like I don't know, like I'm a premium content creator for Top Buzz. They send me an email. They like your boy's content or whatever, and they want to, like, I don't know, bro. But all I know is I'm getting a bag. All I know is that I'm getting a bag. You know, the tea stay, you know. Man, when I'm gonna have a fat ass tea. Yeah, no, it's ghetto. But yeah, man, I got to a wreck. I got to Boo Boo. That's why I'm in the restroom. So, man, yeah. Okay, so look, I'm editing this video right now, and I just want to talk to y'all about the little Top Buzz sponsorship, content creating thing, whatever, and the other good thing that happened this weekend. Say what's up, Bella. Ooh, okay. Looking like a baddie. Ooh, girl, you big, huh? Let me see them K's, girl. You big, huh? Okay, that's a ping. Okay, but anyway, yeah. So I was just randomly checking my emails, you know, because your boy is popping and I'm an adult. And I seen this. I was like, what is going on? You feel me? Okay, hold on. Okay. This is the email I get. It says, I don't know if I can read that. I'm gonna read it to y'all since y'all don't know how to read. I forgot about y'all not knowing how to read. Okay. Let me see if anything works. Oh, bet. If you want to read it, pause it. Pause, you know. I know y'all see that. So, you know that I had to sign up. But, yeah, that was pretty lit. That's pretty lit. That's pretty live, huh? I know it is. Like, I already made some money off of it. Not gonna disclose how much I made, but you know I made money off of it. And I was also on the news. I was on Fox 26 News like yesterday, and I was brilliant. But yeah. So actually, I'm not gonna keep y'all that long. Sorry, it was a short video, but at least I got something out for y'all. I might edit these 2 videos that I have. I mean, don't get me wrong, I've been recording. I just ain't been posting no videos. I'm gonna do a reaction video to my homeboy Sam's music video that he just dropped, Energy. It's pretty lit. I haven't watched it yet, but I heard the song. So I'm really gonna be reacting to the music video. So hey, it's your boy Travo with the T. Y'all dig me? It's your boy Travo with the T. Not the C, not the B, T. Don't ever get it wrong. It's okay. And why are you crying? Oh my god, I gotta cut that. Why are you crying with your bouquet pung ting ting go to king? Water. Whoa, girl. Look at you. You so fine, girl. Look at that. You got that extra skin. You gonna grow for that, huh? You gonna grow and book a thinky. But yeah. So hey, it's your boy Travo and we are gonna leave you later. You feel me? Man, hit him with the paw. We gotta get about it right. Oh my god, you can't see them. Man, what the paw action? Wow. I'm playing. But hey, yo, it's your boy Travo to my 3 times.
Even if I don't live, yeah, my shooter's gonna leave you dead, yeah. Rolling off of meds, yeah. His bitch gave me head, yeah. His bitch sent me text, yeah. She said that I'm up next, yeah. She want a brown boy from the Rex, yeah.